I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Greg Franks. He is BP Senior Vice President, Mobility and Convenience Americas. Greg, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, thanks for having me today.
My pleasure, my pleasure. So now, Greg, as the world transitions, what's BP's strategy to generate revenue from EV charging?
Yeah, EV charging is a wonderful opportunity for us. More recently here, we've seen that we've announced $1 billion intention to invest in the US by 2030. We're expanding our partnership with Hertz. So you're going to see more of that. We have 22,000 charge points around the world. And there's a wonderful opportunity to tie into our existing network. We have over 8,000 retail sites around the country today. Some are our branded marketer, jobber, dealer network that in essence is a fuel supply agreement. But we also have convenience properties. We have AM/PM and Thornton's brands, and we're really leaning into that space and growing quite quickly. So we see those as working very well together as we continue to invest in EV charging. We continue to build out our existing network, and then we've just augmented that most recently with the purchase of TravelCenters of America.
Okay, so tell me more about that deal with TravelCenters.
Yeah, we're really excited about TravelCenters of America. It's an amazing business, a wonderful legacy, terrifically talented folks, but this is the #3 travel center provider in the United States. And they have a wonderful network on the highways all throughout the US, which complements nicely our more traditionally off the highway network that serves local communities all around the US and has for many decades. So the opportunity for TravelCenters of America really is amazing. It's a $1.3 billion acquisition, and we think it'll deliver about $800 million for us by 2025. So the opportunity there, paying 6 times earnings, was just wonderful. It also almost effectively doubles our convenience margin globally with this one transaction. And it really enables a bright future for us as well, because they're large sites, 25 acres. They have amazing relationships with their fleet customers, and those folks are coming there for resilient diesel fuel today, but it enables a really bright future for the energy transition.
Okay, so your strategy, would you say it's working?
I think it's absolutely working, and I think TA is a wonderful example of that. We are investing in our transition growth engines, convenience, electrification, hydrogen, renewable natural gas. All of those that we have capability in are going to be able to serve that future customer inside of TravelCenters of America. We see that as a 50-year investment. We're going to continue to invest as the consumer, the customer, the guest, as they tell us what they need and what their fuel needs are. We're going to be able to meet those in a very sustainable way. So as we add things in the future, renewable natural gas, someday a little bit further down the road, hydrogen, certainly in the near term, electrification, it's going to be really, I think, a wonderful opportunity for us to better serve consumers.
All right, well, Greg, wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you very much, Judy. Appreciate you having us.